Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best folding trampolines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Stamina 36 inches Folding Trampoline. The Stamina 36 inches Folding Trampoline is an effective, safe, progressive way to exercise at home or at the office for improved cardiovascular fitness, overall muscle strength, to aid in weight loss, and to improve circulation. Studies have shown that rebounding has many positive health benefits. Rebounding can go almost anywhere. Fold it and take it with you, so you'll stick to your workout routine and get fit. Start slowly and progress at your own speed. By adding hand or ankle weights to your routine, you will progress to a more complete cardiovascular workout. You don't need an expensive gym membership to get fit, and you don't need a large workout area at home. Rebound while you watch TV, then fold and store it away in a closet or under the bed. Stamina products offer a diverse range of exercise trampolines, large and small, that can be used for a variety of different strength building and cardiovascular exercises. From bounce downs to jumping jacks and a variety of different abdominal workouts, our entire line of fitness rebounders is perfect for adults, regardless of age or ability, who are looking to achieve a low-impact workout. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bcan 40 inches Foldable Mini Trampoline. Bounce to your heart's content on the Bcan 40 inches Foldable Mini Trampoline. It has 4 height levels, a heavy-duty handlebar, 3 mm high-strength stainless steel springs and a cushioned bounce provided by bungees. You can close it without removing the pads and it folds to a quarter of its size, so you can stash it practically anywhere. A rebounder is one of the best purchases you can make if you are looking for a complete workout solution. Not everyone can afford a comprehensive home gym, nor can they give up the space required to house one. Believe it or not, but a mini trampoline can provide a highly effective aerobic workout with minimal space sacrifice that would happen with other home equipment like treadmills. If you have your mind set on buying a mini trampoline to get in better shape, you've made the right choice. Now, it's time to sort through your options to find the best one. If you want to know whether their 40 inches foldable mini trampoline fitness rebounder is worth buying, read the below review to see what we think. Anyone interested in buying a mini trampoline is likely interested in moving it around. While this certainly isn't the lightest trampoline you will find, it offers a good amount of portability. The trampoline is easy to move around because it is designed to fold twice. Number 3. Our third best pick is Serene Life Portable and Foldable Trampoline. The Serene Life Portable and Foldable 40 inches stands out as a cheerful, fun piece of exercise equipment. Beyond that, we thought this was a great product for fitness classes so long as you're a smaller jumper. The maximum quoted weight is 200 pounds. However, the bounce already felt strained for our testers weighing around 120 pounds. It was possible to hit the ground while jumping. Still, we loved that this trampoline is silent, light and comes with a portable carrying case. The Serene Life Portable and Foldable 40 inches also seems to be a versatile product. It performed well for fitness classes, and it appears safe and fun for children. The support handle is slightly wobbly, but it is adjustable to different heights and is very comfortable. If you are a smaller person wanting a storable and transportable product to help you enter into the trampoline world without too much of an investment, this product is a good choice for you. Very light and quick to assemble. Carrying bag included for easy transport. Fitness class approved. Silent bounce and wide diameter. Small bounce for medium and large users. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is First 48 inches Foldable Fitness Trampolines. The trampoline is made of commercial high-quality steel material and resistant PP material, supports up to 440 pounds. The 48 inches size is enough space to tolerate 2 to 3 kids to play simultaneously. They will have fun together with this fitness trampoline. Unique design allows you to fold the jump trampoline twice while wearing the safety pad, and it will save you much storage space and easy to carry. You can store conveniently under the bed, in the closet, or take this trampoline in your car trunk when you have outdoor travel with your family. Enjoy the entertainment from these trampolines. The 8 legs are covered with anti-slid post caps which keep the rebounder wear resistant and strong. The steel tube not only makes the trampoline safe but also makes the jumping quiet. The PP mat is waterproof and easy to clean. You need not worry about if it is dirty after use. Adjustable and comfortable handle. There are 4 different levels of handrail height available to adjust for adults and kids. Ensure you have a good jumping experience. The handle is covered by the foam material, very comfortable for you to grip and prevent accidentally falling down. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is FITPULSE Mini Trampoline for Adults. This option is great because it comes with a handle which adds to much versatility and stability to your workouts. The handle adjusts based on your height, is comfortable to hold, and allows you to perform more advanced movements safely. This trampoline folds up easily and is lightweight, making it ideal for smaller spaces or mamas who don't want to leave it out in the middle of the living room. It's also got non-slip rubber legs and comes with a set of resistance bands, and you can use it indoors or out. This health trampoline is made from sturdy PP mesh, anti-wear and tear-resistant spherical rebounding floor, joint-friendly suspension by 30 bungee ropes, thick metal pipe which is 1.5 of the diameter, 6 legs helps consume as much as 330 pounds. The health trampoline trains a variety of muscle teams, assists in constructing muscle mass, strengthen the shoulder, hip and leg muscular tissues. This indoor trampoline can be an ideal gear for shedding pounds. The bungee rope design system with 30 thickened ropes that are 0.328 mm of diameter offers joint-friendly suspension, reduces noise to most extent, affords extra stability and provides you an awesome leaping expertise. Particular instrument is included for meeting. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.